Welcome to Best with Rice, where we make the best dishes to go with rice. And today we're making Kra Pow Gai or holy basil chicken. First, we chop up some Thai red and green chilies. This amount makes it suitable for all the xiao la chloes. Chop this a bit finer so that when you bite on a piece, you only feel pain in all the right areas. Mince some garlic and pluck some holy basil leaves. Feel free to put more because I know some of you guys could really use more holy things in your life. Then we drop an egg into a good amount of hot oil. We're going for a fried egg that is crispy on the edges and gooey in the middle. Set that aside for later. Next, we're gonna fry our chopped garlic and chilies until fragrant. Add our mincemeat and break them up like how life has done to your self-confidence. Season with light soya sauce, oyster sauce, dark soya sauce and fish sauce. Toss, turn off the flame and stir in our holy basil. And then we are done. Really easy to make and really delicious. The hardest part is finding holy basil, which I got mine from Shopee. Using other kinds of basil like sweet basil or Thai basil will change the taste significantly, but it will probably still be delicious.